dito. Baby Jace. Man!
Wala ka kaon?
Uy.
Yan lang din.
Chocolate Hills.
Tanggap dito sa Pier 2B2862, Patong Manila, mabuhay. Philippine Airlines Delta Filipino welcomes you on board Pier 2B2862 bound for Manila. Our flight command is Captain Shamsur Singh Shah this year. Cabin Korea, our flying time is approximately 45 and should be cruising altitude 35,000 feet. Please watch the cabin crew nearest to you.
Double kay kuan naman para sa mga 22
The fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together to tighten, pull, loosen the strap. To loosen, pull, buckle bolt, and fasten the buckle, pull free, and to release. If you're an infant, fasten your seatbelt arms around infant's waist. Your life is found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Sleep vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist to tighten when out to the aircraft. Pull down sharply the tips towards lower end. If flight is facing inflate, blow into mouth tubes, push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will activate in battery submerged in water. In the unlikely event of emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Knee grab the mask and pull them towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull relax the bands for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on to your advise to remove it. If a passenger is with your assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits clear mark throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights path markers with this edge during evacuation. For more information, please study the safety card on the seat bar in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts securely fastened. Seat belts in the upright position. Large electronic device, laptops, tablets stored in your seat pockets. Window shades open, your tray table stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. The time is exactly 10 in the evening. And the date today is January 29, 2023. Please remain seated with seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to complete stop and the passport signs are switched off. May I remind you to check air around your seat fighters will leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please detain last. Our cabin crew assist you in those to our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Shamser C. Chandras crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Good morning to all the departing passengers traveling on Philippine Airlines Flight ER591 bound for Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. May we have your attention, please? Your Philippine Airlines ground staff will conduct a final documents check prior for boarding. In line with this, may we request our passengers to kindly begin together with their personal belongings and form a single line on gate number 2. Please prepare your passport, boarding pass, and other travel documents for our final inspection. Once again, for the information of all departing passengers traveling on Philippine Airlines Flight ER591 bound for Ho Chi Minh, Saigon, your Philippine Airlines ground staff will conduct a final documents check prior for boarding. In line with this, may we request our passengers to kindly begin together with your personal belongings and form a single line on gate number 2. Please prepare your passport, boarding pass, and other travel documents for final inspection. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay!
Safety measures and contact tracing. Please approach any of your cabin crew for any questions and assistance. Switched off the fasten seatbelt phone, fuel safety, and cover. Please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated. This is a non-smoking flight, ladies and gentlemen. Smoking, charging, and the use of e-cigarettes are not allowed all throughout the flight to Saigon. Tampering with the lavatory smoke detector is strictly prohibited. Government regulations strictly prohibits opening and drinking of alcoholic beverages other than those served in flight. For everyone's protection, we encourage everyone to practice social distancing whenever possible and avoid standing by in groups or long queues for the lavatories. May we remind all our passengers not to transfer to any vacant seats in the aircraft due to our COVID safety measures and contact tracing. Please approach any of your cabin for any questions and assistance. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, documents are no longer needed in Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. Thank you.
Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Saigon. Check your timepieces. Is 6 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. Time difference between Manila time is Saigon time is 1 hour behind Manila time. And the temperature is recorded at 21 degrees Celsius or 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. During deplaning, passengers in the forward section of the aircraft shall deplane first. Our crew members will guide you in the order for disembarkation. May we remind you to check areas around you for items that you might leave behind. For passengers who need special assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, Captain Alvin Gutierrez Perea Jr., First Officer Limwell Levo, and the rest of your cabin crew, Paul, Nico, Rita, Michelle, Camille, this is your flight purser Jasmine Chan, thanking you all for flying Philippine Airlines. It was our pleasure to have served you. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
We're back again.
We're back to the
Charm City. Charm Plaza.
No, factory.
Safe way.
I will sleep first.
Safe way.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yeah.
Gandaman ko. Chok net na mo eh.